Hi everyone, this is the second video on creating panels using Pattern Engine for 3ds Max. If you're not familiar with Pattern Engine, please check the link in the description. In addition to the previous methods, you can create panel layouts by controlling item scales with effects. Set the count as shown, unlock the top X scale, then add an expression effect to the top Y scale. This will control only the Y scale of the items. Set the parameters as shown and observe the results. Now, let's combine this with local alignment. This will align items in their local space. Note that this works only when the item scale is less than 100%. Feel free to tweak the scale effects or the X expression values. This will give you more control over the panel layout. You can also add any type of effects to the item scale. Next, let's try local alignment effects. This will affect the item's alignment across the pattern up to the selected side. Feel free to combine this with scale effects. This will provide you with more variations in your panel designs. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching.